So we got 86, 87, 88, and an 89.
We got 89. Mervis Krauss.
That's a good card.
Kevin Brown.
Good card. Nolan Ryan.
Ken Giffrey. Eddie Murray. Jim
That's a
Abbott.
good card.
Robin Ventura.
Joey Bell.
Ricky Henderson. Mike Schmidt and Randy Johnson.
Randy Johnson.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this one won by 5.
Won by a Randy Johnson, the Bird Killer.
Yeah, the Bird Killer, that was pretty cool.